And now I'm going to look into on-page SEO checker. Basically, on-page SEO checker is for the root domain. It will do a on-page SEO analysis and will show all the metrics or factors affecting the on-page SEO score and how you can improve it. So I'm going to click on setup on-page SEO checker now, and let me wait for the wizard to load for this particular one. And I need to give a domain name here. For example, I'm going to click on this and click on get idea, and you can see it automatically opens up a wizard for me. First, I can select the targeting, like which geographical location do I want to target. I can choose the country, I can select region, city, language, device, all this is available. I'm going to keep it as a default and click on continue, and you can see it automatically collects all the data for my if I want to directly import. For example, from my website, it brings up like these are my web page and what are the keywords I will be potentially targeting for this. It's auto import, or I can do a manual where I can mention each of my web page and say that, for example, this could be like digital marketing blog, and say add, that could be a one keyword. Similar that you can do it from file, you can import it. Just make sure to you follow the example document, and according to that you can import and do that. Or you can bring all the keywords from your Google Webmaster Search Console. You can bring all the keyword directly from. I highly recommend you to do this as well. Or organic research also, if you want to go through the SEMrush database and find all the different keywords and what other keywords you want to bring. In this case, I'm just going to bring, let's say, auto import. Let's see how that works. And I can also control the user agent here as well. I would recommend to check it out, a Google bot, for since Google is our preference. And schedule this, like also, do I want to recollect different stuff weekly, never get an email update? In case if you want, I'm going to put never. I will be automatically doing this. So I can click on collect ideas. Now it will start doing this on-page SEO audit for this as well. For example, let me close this. It's opening it up again, and you can see it has automatically started getting all the data. So now let's see what's the next module. Backlink audit, and you can see others also completed. I will show in the last section on explanation of all the data you can find within each of this module. In backlink audit is basically means it's one of the useful tool, to be honest, where it can help you to audit your backlinks and identify bad backlinks or spam backlinks, because usually getting these kind of backlinks to your websites can be hurtful for your ranking. So it's always ideal to keep track of all the bad backlinks, and either you can ask the webmaster of that website to removing it after identifying it, or you can create something called a Google disallow file, which will be something like a negative list of all the backlinks or domain, where you can collect it and create a file and submit to your Google Webmaster tool to let Google know that these backlinks are not created by me, or these are spam backlinks. I don't want to associate these backlinks to my website. This is really good and one of the most useful SEO tools, to be honest. So in order to do that, I'm first going to set up the project on backlink analysis audit. This is going to open up my backlink audit, and it automatically shows all the backlinks which is SEMrush as its data in its database for my particular domain. For example, you can see root domain, the www version or non-www. But if you are unexperienced or not sure which to choose, make sure you always choose a root domain to be good, and then go into the brand settings, and you can specify your brand anchor text or your brand name to get much more in-depth analysis. For example, I'm also going to type digital marketing mind with spaces so I can get an idea on it, and you can see automatically sorry, I think I missed it. Marketing mind, I'm going to keep that as it is. So this is where you keep on adding your brand name for your domain. You can go up to top 10 different brand names. And the next one is the domain category, where you can obviously select a category for your domain industry you are in. For example, in this case, I'm going to click let's say something like uh, computer, let's see, internet and telecom, computer and something, whatever the thing. The main reason these is used is like when they are analyzing the website, it will analyze the type of backlinks you have received also. So it will be a good indicator for them to see if it's coming from a different industry backlinks, then what kind of relevancy is there, and is it relevant to the backlink profile or something like that. There, so you choose whatever the industry which is relevant to your particular website. And the second the last fourth one is like target country. In case if you are wanting to focus on specific country sections or something like that, you can always select multiple. For example, in this case, I'm going to focus on United Kingdom and as well as India. I can do that. So once that is done, I'm going to click on start backlink auditing, where now it's going to do an audit of all the 2000 plus different backlinks it has found. I'm going to go into back into the project section of the SEMrush and opening up this project, and you can see it is already starting to auditing the backlink. It will take some times depending on your number of backlinks and all the